Welcome to Kanya CRP. In order to update a serial number for which there will be a maintenance, first access MNTT05 Machines and Equipments transaction. In this transaction, enter the relevant search criteria for the relevant serial material, and then click Search button. Select the relevant record and click Change button. Here, you can change various information about the machine or the equipment's serial number information. In this details screen, add or change the information that's already there, and then click Save button. The relevant serial number will be updated.